Hello friends. Are you getting a lot of visitors to your site but few sales or signups? It's time to focus on converting your existing audience into customers instead of attracting more. The Increase Sales with Conversion Rate Optimization (CRO) course is designed for exactly that purpose. The actual price of this course is around €20, but with our special discount you can get this course for free. Special discount for a limited time. So don't miss the opportunity. To register and start learning, go to skilldiscounts.com now and start the course at a special discount. And get the course for free. Note that there are only 3 days left of this course discount. By the way, the discount coupon has been applied automatically here. Your path to success begins with skilldiscounts.com. Start today. If you are interested in using other free and legal Udemy courses, you can check out other sections of the skilldiscounts.com site. Even go to different categories. Or go to the All Free Online Courses section and search for the course you want. If you found the video useful, you can share it with your friends so that they can also access such tutorials. I would appreciate it if you like and subscribe to us. Have a nice day.